$4,001 Granada, welcome to this beautiful home. This is a complete remodel. The developer bought this home and flipped every single thing about it. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. We're actually gonna put some before and some after photos in the comments below on this video. Really close to downtown Huntsville. It's a big home. There's a lot to love about it. Come check it out with us. This home is situated on a really large lot. It's over half an acre. It has a big, recently renovated deck back here. You're gonna love this place, guys. You are absolutely gonna love it. Close to shopping, close to downtown Huntsville, South Huntsville. This is an awesome property. I'm Nick Holman with the Holman Group, and we would love to work with you.